Hey, what's going on? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to y'all today about, to me, is the best survey site on the planet. To me, I mean, other people might dispute that. I think this is the easiest one. They pay out on time all the time. They pay through PayPal, Dwala. They pay through bank transfer, and they might have even maybe one more other way that they pay. But me personally, I prefer PayPal. One thing about this site I think that stands out um, from the other ones is you even get points. I say about 90% of the time, even when you don't qualify. That's another thing that stands out. As you can see here, I got 851 points. 100 points equals $1, and you can cash out at 1,000 points, which is $10 straight to PayPal. It usually takes 3 to 5 business days. Sometimes they even pay on Saturdays. I've been paid on a Saturday before. Sometimes they even pay in the middle of the night. This is just, I just love this site. Now, every day you get a poll question, depending on your time zone, either around 7, 8, 9, or 10 o'clock, if you're in the United States. Uh, you answer that question, they give you 10 points. If you do 10 in a row, it says 25, but if you do 10 in a row, you get 100 points. Pay no attention to that. Complete 10 in a row for 25. It used to be that. Now, if you complete 10 in a row, you get 100 points. See, I've done 6 in a row. And the surveys over here is just super easy. Anybody can do this. You want to definitely get referrals. You'll really get to those 1,000 points faster if you get referrals. And also, they even have you can get daily. They have daily contests where you can win 100 points. 100 points is $1. Remember that. Or weekly drawings where you can get 500 points, which is $5. And they got monthly drawings. You see, until September 30th. I've already entered into 2 of those, and $2,500 is. 2,500 points is $25. So this survey site, I just love this site. Like I say, 3 to 5 business days they'll pay you. And it'll be straight to PayPal. You will get an email notification from PayPal, once you receive a payment, but you will also get an email from Branded Survey saying that the payout has been completed. And you can do whatever with the $10. If you somebody that's flat broke, you can take that 10 and leverage into other business opportunities. You can spend it. You can you know, pay someone to promote other stuff you might have, whether it's want somebody to write an article for you or start a pay-per-click campaign. It's a lot of different things you can do with your money. But with this, you can get to 1,000 points way faster by getting referrals. So if you join, let me say it's free to sign up. It's free to sign up. So I want y'all to know that. And you can get people to you can refer people as soon as you get set up. Also when you get set up, go to payment options and fill out all your information and preferences. Do all your information because you want to make sure you put your PayPal email address in there. So when you get paid, it won't be no problems them paying you. So set your profile and all of that up once you sign up for free. But see, you get points from what your referrals do each time they fill out a survey. You even get 50 points when a person registers. Then you're gonna get a percentage of points. It don't deduct from their points. You just get points for everything that they complete over here. So that's a win-win. But yeah, this is one of the most easiest survey sites I think I've seen. And they have, I mean, just come over here every day, especially if you're a person who don't have no money and looking for a way to come up on a few extra bucks. Come over here every day, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times a day, and just complete surveys, and you'll see your points grow. And get your referral link and just get it out here. You know, I'm trying to think, where is my referral link over here? It's somewhere over here. Yeah, right here. Invite friends. I'm letting it take a little second. Yeah. Here go your here go my invitation link. You'll find your link once you sign up for free. Like I say, make sure you fill out your profile and put your PayPal address in there. Or if you want to be paid by bank transfer, fill that out. Or Dwala, if you use that payment process, make sure that's filled out. So that way, like I say, you don't want no delays in you getting paid. So, but yeah, this is my link right here. You will find yours on the Invite Friends tab. But yeah, branded surveys is an easy way to make some little quick money online, especially if you never made any money online. You can take that into leverage and other stuff. So I'm gonna put a link below. Also, I'm gonna put a link to my blog so y'all can see what all the other stuff that I do online. That's where you'll find just about all of my links of my other stuff, just about it. And make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell and sign up for branded surveys for free and make a little money online. Y'all have a wonderful day. Peace.